In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted contacts in Salesforce using the built-in Recycle Bin feature. When a contact is deleted, Salesforce usually moves it to the Recycle Bin instead of removing it permanently, which means it can often be restored within the retention period depending on your org's settings. Start by opening the app launcher and searching for Recycle Bin. Once inside, you'll see a list of recently deleted records, along with details such as the record name, who deleted it, and when the deletion occurred. Browse or sort the list to find the contact you want to recover. After locating the correct record, select it and choose Restore. Salesforce will return the contact to its original location with most of its associated information intact. If you don't see the record, it may have been permanently deleted or removed by an admin. Subscribe for more practical Salesforce tutorials.